Yeah. Hey, what is going on, guys? Reese Unknown here. Today we've got to be very quiet because it is night time and we are seeing bats.
Well, mainly because it's not.
Yeah. There! One just flew past that tree.
I just saw that.
Alright, we've got to be very quiet.
Well, you're lucky. I've got to do with this.
I don't know where they're gone.
Yeah.
I just seen one at the corner of my eye.
Wait, you're missing someone out here.
Who?
Well, there's one. Where? Oh, tell them about Finger.
What?
What's it called? What you made?
Oh, what? Oh, yeah. Hey, guys, I made a tomahawk. So only a wooden one, but it's really cool.
Where's the bag?
I'll put that on. Look, I made a wooden tomahawk and it flies epically. But yeah, they won't be able to see it, will they? If you record it for me.
Okay.
Right.
We're going over to
So just look at that
Charlie
tree. Look at the tree. My friend Charlie is going.
Charlie Cam today.
Right, Lisa, move. Right, you got all that tree? Move, Lisa. Yep, Lisa, move.
No, we have.
Ready?
Yeah. You missed the tree. Where's Reese gone? Do it again.
Alright.
Make it sure it goes near the tree this time.
I'm not fella.
No, don't. Did you see it, viewers? Well, if you view it. There! There!
I saw it! I saw it! I can hear them. They're going.
No fate this ain't.
Wait, it's unfocused. Is it? Okay. Did you get my tomahawk in the tree?
Yeah. Whoa, the sky looks... Ow, Father! Look how weird the sky looks on your camera. Alright, wonder if we can see any more. Tell me if... It's off.
Charlie!
What, I didn't swear?
Yeah, you did.
Move!
He's hurting me! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Ow!
No, don't. That actually hurts.
Stop calling me then.
Okay, I won't.
I'm on the...
Yeah, but you show yourself in nearly every video you do now. Oh, car. No, quick move! Wait, it's following the mouse, that's why. Lola, why be so... Whoa! Hey, that's the mouse! Can you see it running round?
Is it focused the camera?
Well, viewers, that was Lola, Reese's cat.
Click that.
Chasing a mouse. So let's go back on to what we was doing.
Right, run.
Before we was getting distracted by Lola in the middle of the road. So
This is a nature video.
yeah, basically. Right. Alicia, have you saw any?
Oh!
What was that?
What?
Someone just hit there.
Really?
I stood there and someone
What?
stood on stones.
Really?
You shut up.
There was a bat.
I know.
Oi.
Oi. Let's look in the sky.
I'm looking at the bat.
What?
Oh, we're recording the bat. Dad, you keep recording.
Oh, hard folly.
Look at my tomahawk.
Is there any more gonna come?
If not, end it with my outro.
What's that?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. There. There. Closer. There. This. There it is. Oh, that's too fast. There. Go on.
What was that?
Me. Oh yeah, I saw it 3 times, but it's too fast. Yeah.
Oh, you end it if you want.
No. I still want to look. There's one. Flew right past me.
I know, I've seen that.
Fly! Fly to me, fly to me. There. What are you doing? Hey, where did Lola go in the end? There. Whoa!
Yes, it!
Oh yeah, I hope I got it on record. That flew straight over me.
I knew it, I've seen that.
Well, are you back? Well, this will be one good video. Bats, come out, you're not on video. Lol.
Batman, come here.
Batman? Yeah.
Batman must be it. Think about it.
Yeah, and then Batman just drops down. Hello! Oh! Battery info!
Oh, press OK. They've got all of that.
Wait, should we make it into a Minecraft video now? Wooden axe. Where were you? Whoa, that was well close. Reese, it was just me, Dad's tile. There's Reese doing some mining on the tree. Minecraft. What? We can't even use the light anymore. Where did you mine?
Wait, shall we just end it?
Where did you mine? Whoa, you cracked it.
Yeah, they can't see it
Come on. Should we run around first for the end?
No, just end it.
Okay.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to catch up with my weekly videos. Peace out, guys. Oh yeah, I'm just going to hitch off. Peace out, guys.
Peace out.